What is up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. So today I'm actually going to be doing a video all about braids. So as you may or may not have noticed, I have been wearing braids a lot. It's just super convenient. It works for me and my hair. But I feel like when you're constantly rocking braids, like, people are always trying to tell you what you should and shouldn't do with your hair, and like, oh, you shouldn't be doing that because your hair's gonna blah blah blah, you shouldn't be doing that. And it's like, girl. So that's kind of inspired me to do this video, because everyone always wants to add their little 2 cents on different braids, on like or why you shouldn't do braids, or things you should and shouldn't do with braids. And some of them are myths. Like, I'm like, who told you this? Like, this doesn't make sense. Like, 0 cents. And yeah, so a lot of times, like, people are like telling me different things about like rocking braids and like what I should and shouldn't do, and certain myths that I'm thinking like that is not true, or in my opinion that isn't true. So let me know down below, like, once you finish watching this video, let me know your opinions. Let me know if you rock braids and people are telling you different myths or things that people do and that they shouldn't be doing, or the things that people don't do enough of, and all that good jazz. Let me know. So all of you guys that rock your braids, whether it's box braids or Senegalese twists and all jumbo braids and all of that, like, give me your opinions down below. Comment. I want to know, what do you guys think? Do you agree with me? Do you don't agree with me? There's probably going to be a lot of information that I'm probably going to miss out, but that means that this video would be like 50 minutes long, because I could go on and on and on. But all you braid experts, like, comment down below what you think in terms of the different points and different myths that I'm about to mention down below, because, you know, it's interesting to see what people, you know, have to say. So one of the biggest myths, and I'm not gonna lie, I just found this out like a year ago. So I believe this as well, but for the longest. But I actually found out that braids do not help your hair grow. They help with length retention. So I don't know what it is, but there's like, all the time I constantly hear people say, including myself for the longest, like, oh, braids will make your hair grow. But essentially it just helps with length retention, because let's say you're keeping your braids in for 4 to 6 weeks, you're not putting heat on your hair, you're not touching your hair, you're not tugging at your hair, you're not combing your hair, you're not doing unnecessary stuff to your hair, which means that it will promote the growth, but it doesn't help your hair grow. It just helps with length retention. So whereas if your hair is just out and you just tie it in a bun all the time, or you don't do protective styling, your hair is more likely to break off because you're not doing anything to retain your current length. So braids do not help your hair grow. They just help with length retention, which I guess in turn does help your hair grow, because your hair is less likely to break off if it's stuck in a like bunch of braids. But I think we all need to distinguish the difference between length retention and growth. Although I feel like length retention does result into hair growth, because your hair is not breaking off, because you're not manipulating it as much. But you feel me? Do you get what I'm saying? Hopefully you do. The next thing is leaving your braids in for too long. Let me tell you, I have heard so many people say, like, I spend so and so amount of money on my braids, like, I'm keeping it in for like 3 months, and I'm just there like, girl, no, do not do that. I feel like that is just kind of defeating the purpose of why you got the braids. So keeping them in for 4, 5, 6 months is not good at all. And quick story, okay, so I went to the hairdresser to get my braids done, not these braids, the braid that I actually wore to Dubai, and I'm never going back there again. Like, I found my perfect hairdresser, but that's another story. So basically the lady beside me, she had kinky twists in her hair, and she kept them in for 6 months. And the hairdresser was like cussing her. I mean, she was a bit ratchet about it, but she was cussing her. She was like, well, not in front of her, but like once she left, she was like, how can someone leave their hair in for 6 months and feel like it's going to be okay? And the funny thing is, she wanted the hairdresser to take the 6-month-old kinky twist out of her hair and then relax it. And the funny thing is, as soon as they put that relaxer on her hair, she couldn't even handle it. Like, it was burning her scalp, because she wasn't giving her hair a rest. But the moral of the story is, do not keep your hair in for 6, 8, 9, 10, 12 months. Okay, that's slight exaggeration, but don't keep your hair in for that long just because you've spent so much money. Like, getting your hair done can be expensive. Like, it is not cheap to be getting your braids done unless you've got a mother or a sister or a cousin twice removed who can do braids. Like, if you're getting it done by someone like a hairdresser or a mobile hairdresser, it can get expensive. So people want to get their money's worth, so they want to keep their hair in for like 4 or 5 months, and I'm like, no, we're not going to do that. Take that out. Take your braids out and save your hair. Another misconception about braids is that people feel like because it's in braids, you don't need to, it doesn't need regular maintenance, which is incorrect. Like, just because your hair is sitting in a bunch of braids doesn't mean that you shouldn't regularly maintain it. Personally, I'm not gonna lie, I do not wash my braids. That's just me. I've never done that before, and it works for me. Even when I don't have braids in, I rarely put shampoo on my hair. I do a lot of co-washing. Like, I just don't rock with shampoo. Like, me and shampoo, we are not like that. And when I do shampoo my hair, it's because I've taken my braids out and there's like build up, so I need to shampoo that out. But overall, I don't really shampoo my hair. It just doesn't work for me. Different things work for different folks. But nevertheless, I do moisturize my scalp because, let me tell you, braids can get itchy. They are itchy, and like, I'll be patting my head like there's something wrong with me, but braids can get so itchy. So just because your hair is in braids doesn't mean you shouldn't maintain it and moisturize that scalp. Moisturize your scalp. Repeat after me. Moisturize your scalp. Your scalp needs a lot of love. I'm not sure the reason why braids make our scalp so itchy. Can somebody like give me some, like, educate me on this? I'm thinking, I could be completely wrong, but I'm thinking it's because like the extension is like synthetic hair, so it's like rubbing against your scalp, so it's like the irritation from the extension, and that's why it's so, can you see my pajama bottoms? Oh my god. Yeah, that's why it's so itchy, because obviously the hair that is on your head is synthetic, and it's like, you know, irritating the scalp. I could be completely wrong, but let me know the actual reason why braids can get so itchy, because the first like 4 days, like, I'm feeling myself. Then after that, I'm like, these braids need to come out. They are itchy, 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 itchy. So braids, they can be itchy, but what was I saying? My overall point is maintain your braids. Some people wash them and they do kind of retouches where, like, in the front where it's a bit loose, some people may like re-braid the front so that it looks neater, and, you know, retouching and all of that. I don't do all of that, but I do make sure my scalp is popping. And last but not least, don't forget to tie your head with a silk scarf. And I don't use silk pillows, but I do use a silk scarf. So don't forget to tie your luscious braids, girl, and rock them with like a queen, like the queen you are. I don't know what I'm talking about, but that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the points that I mentioned, and add your own your points, and educate me on certain things that I didn't mention. I want to know, because I'm still learning too. But I hope you guys all have a blessed day. Don't forget to follow me on social media and all of that good stuff. And yeah, peace.